In section 4, we learn to squat down in the first half and stand right up into a balance. This is really a big test for everyone. You have learned your balance forward, backwards, sideways, and standing on one leg. And now we need to test to see how well you can go down and stand up on one leg. Then again, I caution everyone to start off slowly, a little bit high stance, and as you get stronger and more control of your body with balance, then we'll go down lower.
Step left foot out, body center, finger extend, wrist bend, push both hands out. Pull elbows down, press hands, bend both knee, opening. From here to the last move that we have learned. Right hand hook, left hand lift, cross over to the right shoulder, pick up your left knee. First move is called snake creeps down. First, we turn our body to the right, then step our left leg back. Turn your waist to the left, open left toes, and both knee bend. Drop your left hand down and move your left hand on top of your left leg. This is called snake creeps down. Let's try that one more time. From the last kick position, turn your waist to your right, step your left leg back. Toes touch first, then heel down. Turn your waist to the left, open left toes, both knee bend. Drop your left hand and slowly trace down and up in front of your left leg. Snake creeps down. From the kicking position, turn your waist to the right, step our left leg back, toes and heel. Turn your waist to the left, open left toes. Drop left hand down and trace until it's on top of your left leg. This is one of the most difficult postures in Tai Chi. And I want you to practice in this frame at this moment. As you get stronger, your stances get lower. And this is what it will look like with practice. But I want you to remember what we do first. Turned, squat, step, left legs out. Open toes and sits down on the right leg. Extend, left hand out. Snake creeps down. And this time I wanted to talk about the common mistakes. And the reason why I teach this high stance first. From the kicking position, turn waist, step, left leg back. Turn waist to the left, open left toes. I teach high stance so you learn the proper body posture. I have seen many people wanted to go low, but their legs is not strong. So they bending at their mid-body. They move their head down and then they move their hands down. And this position is very bad for your balance. We want to avoid that. We want our legs to become strong and flexible, but our body has to be correct. So we practice the high stance first, and we practice your legs will become stronger and flexible. Use this as a measurement so you do not have any bad habits. We do this one more time. Turn waist to the right. Left leg, step back. Turn waist to the left, open left toes. Drop left hand down and lined up with the left leg. Snake creeps down. Next move is called Golden Roosters on one leg. Shifting your weight to the left leg. Adjust your right toes inward and lift your left hands up. This frame looks like single whip that we have learned before. From here, feel your both shoulders down, drop the shoulder, then elbow, and you'll feel the hands heavy. When your right hand, left hand is dropped next to the legs, begin to shift weight forward to your left leg, picking up right heel and lift your right knee and pick up your right hand. Place your left hand in a press position. This is called Golden Rooster Stands on one leg. With practice, especially these sections, you will find your balance improve tremendously. Now we'll practice these two moves together. From the last kicking positions, turn waist to the right, left leg, step back. Turn waist to the left, open left toes. Drop left hand and move left hand lined up with the left leg. Shifting weight forward, adjust right toes inward. Lift left hand up, both shoulders down, let go, both hands downward. Shifting weight more to the left leg, picking up right heel. And execute Golden Roosters on one leg. From the last kicking position. Turn waist to the right, left leg, step back. Turn waist to the left, open left toes. Drop left hand down to line up with the left leg. Shifting weight forward, adjust right toes inward. Both shoulders down, chest loose, picking up right leg, right hand. Golden Roosters on one leg. From these positions, we will do exactly the same, but it's on the opposite side. So first, the transitions is place your right foot down on your right toes. Then turn your waist to the left, at the same time pivoting your right heel outward. Then shifting weight to your right leg. Continue turn waist to the left so you can adjust your left heel in. Shifting weight to your left leg. Lift your left hand into a hook. Place your right hand on your left shoulder. Picking up right heel, then right leg, step back. Turn your waist to the right, open right toes. Drop right hand down and line up your right hand and right leg. Snake creeps down, complete. Next move, Golden Rooster. Shifting weight forward to the right leg. Turn waist to the right, closed left toes. Lift right hand up to shoulder level. Both shoulders let go tensions, let go the elbow. Drop both hands down next to your legs. Picking up left knee and your left hand. Golden Rooster Stands on one leg. And now we repeat one more time from the first Golden Roosters on one leg with the right knee up. Transition move, place your right foot down, then turn your waist to the left, pivoting on your right toes. Shifting weight from left to right, and turn waist continuously to left and pivoting on the left toes. Place right heel down, shifting weight to the left leg. Left hand make hook, pick up your right heel. Now we execute snake creeps down. Right leg, step back. Turn waist to the right, opened right toes. Drop right hand down and line up right hand with right leg. Snake creeps down is complete. Shifting weight forward. Adjust left toes end. Lift right hand. Shoulder, chest down, continue shifting weight forward. Picking up left knee and your left hand to Golden Rooster. And this time we'll do both sides. From the first kicking position, turn waist to the right, left leg. Turn waist to the left, open left toes. Drop your left hand to line up with your left leg. Snake creeps down. Shifting weight forward, closed right toes, lift left hand. Both shoulders down, elbows down, then pick up right leg, right hand, Golden Roosters on one leg. Transitions, place right foot down, pivoting on right toes, move right heel out. Shifting weight to the right leg, pivoting on left toes, move left heels in. Shifting weight to the left leg, left hand up into a hook. Placed right hand in front of left shoulder. Right leg, step back, toes and heel. Turn waist to the right, open right toes, drop right hand down to line up right hand with right leg. Snake creeps down, complete. Golden Rooster, shifting weight to right leg, closed left toes, lift hand. Drop both shoulders down and lift left knee, left hand up. Golden Roosters complete. And this time we will do the forms one more time, but it's smoother. Turn waist to right, left leg, step back. Shifting weight forward, closed right toes, lift left hand. Both hands, shoulders down, lift right knee, right hand, Golden Rooster. Transitions, right foot placed down, pivoting on right toes. Shifting weight, pivoting on left toes. Move weight to left leg, left hand hook, right hand palm. Right leg, steps out. Turn waist to right, open right toes, drop right hand down, lined up with right leg. Shifting weight forward, close left toes, lift right hand. Both shoulders down and lift left knee, left hand.